Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera shower gel, and I'm going to use this liquid soap, Castile soap, that I made from scratch, and I have a video on how I made this soap. I'll link it down in the description bar below. So I'm going to start by measuring out my soap. So I'm gonna measure out about 16 ounces. That's 16 ounces. And I'm gonna start by adding all my other ingredients. So in my bowl, I'm gonna be adding this aloe vera gel. So I'm gonna measure out 2 spoons, and I'll put the link down where I got the aloe vera gel. So I'm just gonna stir this very slowly because I don't want to create bubbles. So after that, I'm gonna be adding in my cinnamon leaf essential oil. I will be adding in about 10 drops. Now you can go ahead and put this in your bottle. It's perfectly okay, but I'm just gonna add in a little bit of color. Adding in color is totally optional. I'm just gonna stir this slowly until everything is mixed up well. So now that my shower gel is done, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my bottle. So I'm gonna try with the steady hand to put my shower gel into the bottle. So there is my aloe vera shower gel.